Wake up, everybody! Wake up!
I wake up and I see a huge green robot.
Please, they say everything is big in Texas, except your brain. Daniel, do you own a car? Or do you still prefer to just ride your daddy's coattails?
Wow. You're lucky I don't have my rifle in this house, because I'd be zinging you to smithereens, buddy.
There's a ghost in the Big Brother house. It has a high-pitched wail. It's pasty white, and it loves to float. Oh wait, that's just Angie.
Pasty white. That's the worst part of it, is the pasty white.
Maybe I cry a lot, whatever, and I was born with pale skin. But the fact that the Zingbot calls me a floater enrages me.
Caleb, you and Amber have something in common. You think she's drop dead gorgeous, and she wants you to drop dead.
Sorry, Caleb, but truth hurts sometimes, bud.
Brittany, I have $500,000 to donate. Please tell me more about the charity you gave yours to. I think it was called The Brigade.
The brigade jokes. Come on, Zingbot. It's been 2 years. I'm over it. Not bitter.
Dang, my 5-year-old niece called. She wants her pink tank top back.
That's personal. Real men wear pink. I'm comfortable with my sexuality. It goes good with my nice tan.
Alexa, I hear you like to impersonate me, but I think you're much better at being a cheap imitation of your sister. No way. Cody, you're such a nice guy. You haven't made any enemies this summer, except for maybe Chris King's husband.
Zingbot smokes, Cody. It was by far one of the best sings that I've ever heard of the history of this show.
Zing, zing, zing.
There's absolutely nothing.
What do you call someone who's not afraid to cry, wears pink, and cuddles with men? You call them Zach. See?
Usually I can take whatever people dish out of me. But Kathy Griffin ripping me to shreds is not something I prepared for in life.